Okay, welcome to Science 14. Today we're going to be talking about our first unit, properties of matter. So first of all, what is matter? And matter is anything that has mass or takes up space. So you're surrounded by it, and you're also made up of it. And all chemical substances are considered to be matter. So if we have a look at some of these pictures here, we have a rubber ducky. This rubber ducky right here, made of matter. Jonah Hill over here, also made of matter. This kid in a whoopee cushion costume, matter. So when we're talking about matter, we also have to talk about WHMIS. And this is a way that we sort of can label matter. So WHMIS means Workplace Hazardous Material Information System. So these symbols are found in your workplace. So we have this first one right here, and that's compressed gas. Okay, then we have this one. It means it's oxidizing. Here we have poisonous. And flammable. We have toxic, this T with an exclamation mark. We have corrosive. So corrosive means like it could literally melt your skin off. We have reactive. Oops. Reactive. And we have biohazard. So those are our WHMIS symbols. Now just to make things just a little bit more complicated, oops, in 2015, we decided that we wanted, or Canada decided that they wanted more globally recognized symbols so that, you know, wherever you go, there's sort of like the same symbol. So everybody got together and they came up with these guys. So we've got, you know, explosive, corrosive, gas under pressure, flammable. This is like toxic or carcinogen or something to do with your respiratory system. This is also toxic or, you know, poisonous like before. Oxidizing, environmentally toxic, and this is sort of like toxic as well, or an irritant. So I have a chart here I can show you of your 1988 WHMIS symbols. So these are 1988 WHMIS symbols. And these are 2015, our new WHMIS symbols. So right now we're using both, but in a couple of years, all we're going to be using are these guys, our 2015 global recognized symbols. Mostly all the same, like compressed gas, flammable, oxidizing, toxic. This is sort of like toxic as well, biohazard, corrosive. And then for reactive, we have flammable and explosive here. Explosive. This is like toxic or affecting your respiratory system. So those are our WHMIS symbols. And those you see in the workplace on your chemicals. So they're found on your chemicals. Now these are your HHPSs, so your household hazardous product symbols. So they're very similar to WHMIS symbols except for they have these shapes. So this shape, like an octagon or a stop sign, this one is danger. Okay, and then this diamond shaped symbol means warning. Oh, don't know why. So the diamond shaped one means warning, and the upside down triangle means caution. Don't mind my computer. There. Caution. Okay, so then we can also mix our HHPSs, so our danger, warning, and caution. We can mix them with similar looking WHMIS symbols. So here's our danger. Here's our warning and caution. And then we have this hand. It's corrosive and explosive and flammable and poisonous. So poisonous. Okay, these guys here are WHMIS symbols. I'm not going to fill them out for you again. And these guys here are HHPSs, household hazardous product symbols. These are WHMIS and HHPSs. So now we can mix the shapes. So let's say I have caution, upside down triangle, caution, and then I'm going to write some flames in here, my beautiful artistic skills. So this means caution, flammable. I could also do, oops, I could also do the diamond shaped one, which means warning, and explosive. So this means warning, explosive. So those you'll see on household chemicals. Household chemicals like bleach or laundry detergent. Any cleaning products. Oven cleaner. Okay. Now, in any workplace, you're also going to see these MSDS sheets. So they're material safety data sheets. And this tells you everything you need to know. So it tells you everything you need to know about a chemical. So if we look at this example, this MSDS sheet here, it's about deionized water. So we're looking at deionized water, and it sort of tells you everything about it. Then it says some hazards. It also says that it's a colorless, odorless liquid. If we keep going down, it tells you how it's going to affect your eyes, skin, if you inhale it, if you ingest it. So ingest it is like if you eat it or drink it. It has its composition, what are the ingredients in it. So the ingredients is water. What to do, your first aid measures. So what to do if it gets in your eyes, your skin, if you inhale it, ingest it, and then a note to a physician. So these MSDSs are really important, and you should always know wherever you're working where they're located. So just to recap, we went over MSDSs, so material safety data sheets. We talked about household hazardous product symbols, HHPSs. We talked about WHMIS symbols. And then we also talked about what is matter. And matter is pretty much everything. So everything is made up of matter. All right, that was the very beginning of our Unit A, Properties of Matter.